Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to remove the door tweeter speaker. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. Little pocket screwdriver or flat edge screwdriver, and you're going to pop this cover off. Just reach in there and give it a pry, and then we can set that aside. And you can see there's a little screw in there. It's got a Torx bed head to it, and it's a T20. Take that out. Now just pry on this casing, and it'll pop right out. Now you can reveal the actual. This is the mirror adjuster button. So we're going to take that connector off. Down below here, there's a little clip. Push in on the pin. Let's see if I can see it. Maybe I'll get this side first. So here is your little mini speaker. Take that clip, push in on the pin, pull that clip, the connector out. Now we have the actual door handle itself cable. So this handle for the exterior, this is the interior door handle cable, and it releases the latch. So it's basically, it just slides right in. There's no clips, there's no screws. So pull up on the cable end, and it comes right out. So you can see how it goes in. It slides right in like that, and clicks down. To release, pull up, and there you go. So now we can see the actual connector on this side. Take a small screwdriver. So if you have to replace the little mini speaker, you're going to see a clip right here, and there's one straight down in there, and then the hook. So first thing I'm going to do is undo this one. You can see the screen starts to come out. Now I can put a little pressure on that. On the other side, bring down my screwdriver, pop it. And then slide her out. Now with the plastic screen out of the way, we could put a little pressure not on the paper itself, but on the plastic around the speaker, the little tweeter. We'll push a little bit on it while we remove these tabs. Push them aside, and the speaker will start to slide right up. And that's how you remove the little tweeter speaker. Install it, line it right up with the way it came out, snap it right into place. Replace the screen, put that tab nose in first, line up those other two tabs, and just push down. So that slides down right in there like that, and then clicks in. Connect our little tweeter speaker. Connect our window controller, mirror control, sorry. There we go. Slide that all back in there. T20. Line it up, tighten it down. Now I want to make sure my handle works, so I'm going to act like a door latch and lock it with a little pressure on it. I know my handle works. Now I don't have it all bolted down yet because I made sure that my handle works. Now I'm going to make sure that my mirror adjuster works. Other side, yep. So it's all good. Turn the key off, and I can tighten it all down. It's got 3 lineups. One at 3 o'clock, 12, and 6. Snap it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.